Hello guys, good evening to all of you. We just arrived at Aihole, and this place is about 3 hours drive from Hampi, and on the way to Maharashtra from Bangalore you can actually stop over at a place called Badami. Badami, Pattadakal and Aihole are the three places which I think is a visit that will leave you speechless. The Chalukya Dynasty actually started their reign over the central as well as western parts of India from the place called Badami. They made Badami the capital, and they built a lot of temples here in Aihole also. Aihole is about 34 kilometers from Badami and Pattadakal is about 20 kilometers from Badami. So they are not very far apart, and this whole place has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site because Chalukyas have built a lot of temples here, and some of the temples are in pristine condition. Most of them have been destroyed by the Delhi Sultanate during the wars at that time. So the Chalukyas ruled Karnataka from the 6th century onwards, and 6th century to about 11th century. So Pulakeshin II was the main ruler of the Chalukya dynasty, who actually established this temple here called the Durga temple in Aihole. The Durga temple is in pristine condition, and the rest of the things outside are not in such a good condition. So this place is, if you liked Hampi, I am sure you will love this place also. Badami Caves, Aihole and Pattadakal. To start with, we are going to take a tour of Aihole, and we are going to look at the Durga temple. This temple was actually built as a temple for the sun god Aditya, and later on, for reasons unknown, it turned out to be a Durga temple.
आदित्याय विद्महे दिवाकराय धीमहि तन्नो सूर्यः प्रचोदयात्.
So I am now walking away from the Durga temple, and I am going to look at some of the other smaller ruins around this place.
विद्महे दिवाकराय धीमहि तन्नो सूर्यः प्रचोदयात्.
This particular structure is called the Lord Khan temple, and it has some socio-religious importance.